This is a long division box method. So our problem is 54 divided by 3. We want to put 54 into 3 groups. So we are going to start by drawing 3 boxes. They don't need to be equal or anything. It's just going to help us divide it out. Then I'm going to write my 54 over here. So I want to think how many times I need to break up 54 into 3 groups. What's a big chunk of 3 I can take away? I know that 3 times 20 is 60. So that's going to be too much. I could do 3 groups of 10. So I'm going to put 10 in each of these, and that equals 30. Then I'll subtract 54 minus 30, gets me 24. A lot of times the mistakes that we see happening is we subtract incorrectly or we multiply incorrectly. So we need to make sure we're paying attention to that. I have 24 left over, so I need to think 3 times what gets me close to 24 or at 24. I could do 3 times 7, I know that's 21, or I could do 3 times 8, and that is 24. So I'm going to put 8 in each of these, and then subtract. If I had a number down here that's smaller than what I'm dividing by, that would become my remainder. But since I'm at 0, I can't do it anymore. I look at just one of these boxes, and that tells me what my answer is. So it's 10 plus 8, which is 18. I can go back and check my work. 18 times 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Put 2 up here. 3 times 1 plus 2, 54. So I know I did it correctly. Next problem, we're going to do 3-digit divided by 1-digit. So 781 divided by 6. That means I'm going to need to draw 6 boxes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 781. So I'm going to think I could take out 6 groups of 10, or I could even do 100. So I'm going to take out 100 each time. So I could count 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. I'm going to subtract 600. That leaves me with 181 left over. Again, we want to make sure we're taking our time on our subtraction. I could take out 6 groups of 10, that'd be 60. Or if I'm thinking about my multiplication facts, I know 6 times 2 is 12, so 6 times 20 would be 120. So I'll take out 20. Then I can subtract 120. When I do that, I end up with 61. I know that 6 times 10 gets me 60. That's going to get me really close. That gets me 60. 61 minus 60 is 1. I can't take this 1 and put it into 6 groups, so that becomes my remainder. All I have left to do is add up just one of these boxes. So 100 plus 20 plus 10 is 130. Remainder 1. We can continue this. We can have a 4-digit, 5-digit number divided by 1. We're just going to, or by a 1 digit. We're just going to make sure we have those boxes and think, what can I multiply by?